In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Many users, especially switching from an Android to iOS, wonder how to connect iPhone to printer. That's because on an Android it's quite easy. From my experience I can show you, it's going into settings and connecting to your printer in few seconds. On iPhone though, it's a bit more challenging because you can't connect to printer using settings, but you can still connect and even print. Let me explain. Firstly, you need to launch a file you want to print. I will go with this one. When you're ready, look for this icon. In most cases, it will be at the bottom left corner. After tapping on it, you need to scroll and click Print. Then when you see this pop-up, tap on Printer at the top, and to connect to the chosen one, click on it. As you can see, after a few seconds, my device was successfully connected. Now, to manage the rest of printing settings, to print your file exactly how you want, hit Presets, apply the best option for you by clicking on it, choose number of copies, decide if you wish to print in color thanks to this switcher, tap on paper size and apply the best one from the list of available ones. In my case, it's only this. Go back, scroll and tap on Media and Quality. Then you can tap on Feed From. Choose one of those options. I will go with Tray Tool. Select media type and pick one of those. And also hit Print Quality to tap on the one you wish to use. I want my print to be the best one, so I will go with the best quality by clicking on it here. Finally, to print, use this icon over printer at the top right corner and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!